What is this? What is this? It's a
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy One True Gemini. I am here to do an unboxing. That's right, I'm doing an unboxing. It is a digital wall clock, 15.2 inches, and I'm excited because this will do great for me and the family. This is a household product that I have not even done any research on, so I should get my phone and do the research. I cannot pronounce Jing Jang Doshi. I can't pronounce it, but it's manufacturer. I will zoom in and fix it later. That's manufacturer. I'm gonna open this up and check it out. Gotta get the handy dandy multi-tool. Turn it off of facial recognition. That. I'm excited for this. So excited. Back to the video. Here's a clock, the wall clock. I'm about to open it up. I need a knife. My handy dandy knife. He's having a good time. Ooh, I like that. Comes in bubble wrap. Okay, there we go. Comes with bubble wrap. Ooh, has a controller? What? Got a controller. Here's our cords. Oh, USB. That's really good. Okay, USB. Look at that. DJI don't even do this. Apple don't do this. Come on now. That's what's up. I love that. Comes with your mounting pins. Look at that, it has a ruler. Comes with a ruler. And keep that. That's your instructions, and well, let's go ahead and pull it out. Ooh, that bubble wrap. Wow. This is, oh wow. Has some weight to it. Open, prime batteries. AAA battery. Okay, so one AAA. Maybe two AAAs. Okay, so let's take a look right here. So you have your AAA. And then you have your DC plug-in, which is right here, DC plug-in. Now, if it works with AAA, then we're not going to plug it in, because I'd rather not plug it in. Oh, it's backwards. You're set. So, oh, okay. So you're set. Set the time, plus, minus. Has an alarm clock. Look at that, alarm clock. Wow, this is very impressive. Of course, your Walmart mouse right there. So a wall. Not sure why they have these. Maybe, oh, maybe for the cord. Yeah, maybe to wrap the cord in. But yeah, this is, I mean, it has some weight, but it's nice. Got a little speaker for the alarm. Is it just one speaker? Two speakers. So two speakers for the alarm. Of course, it comes with the plastic wrap, which I'm gonna leave the wrap on there as long as I can. That's just me. That's how I am. The only time I take off the wrap is on a phone or a TV. But yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, so here I have two AAA batteries, the high quick rechargeable batteries. That's basically what I have all here. I'm gonna put the batteries in. Where's the back? There it is. Oh, so maybe it has to be plugged in. Uh-oh. Timeout. In. On double record it. Okay. Alright, so I guess I'm assuming this has to be plugged in. Has a counter, stopwatch. Ooh, wow. Oh, this has to be plugged in, I believe. I'm just looking to see if it needs batteries, but all right. So this has to be plugged in to be used, to be in use. This is pretty unfortunate, but we're still going to plug in and see what we can do. Let's see how it looks. I mean, luckily the cord is long, but still, it's pretty disappointing. And it's a USB-A plug, just to let you know. So what I'm gonna do, just to test it out, I'm gonna plug it into my OmniCharge charge. I'm plugging into my OmniCharge 20, and we're just gonna see how it looks. All right, so we just plugged it into the Omni just to test it out, see how it looks, and look at that. The display is incredible. What I need to do is set the time. Alexa, what time is it? What time is it?
The time is 2:04 p.m.
Oh, it's 2:04. Okay. Let's go 12 hours. Okay. Let's see. I like my times 10 minutes fast. That's just me. 2:04. Let's go 2:05 or 2:15. Is this a year? I don't know what that means. 12 hours. 2:15. What is this? Okay, so I'm assuming that's a year. Month. 2. Set that. Today is the Alexa. What's today's date?
Tuesday, February 6th.
Tuesday, February 6th. Okay. I don't know what temperature it is. Oh, okay, there we go. There it goes. Alright, so that's how it looks. I have it plugged up to Omni 20, and it's, look at that. Can y'all see that? It's not focusing. Alright, well, it's only pushing out 1.43 watts. Wow, that's pushing out barely nothing. But yeah, that is the clock, and we're going to hang it on the wall and see how it looks. So let's get to it. So yeah, this is how it looks right here. We're going to hang it on the wall and see how it looks on the wall. 75 degrees in this room. Oh my gosh. This is the remote right here. Look at this. So you can change the brightness to it. See it getting brighter and gets dim. So level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Goes all the way up to 10 and auto. So it does have an auto for day and night settings. I like that. I'm gonna keep it at auto. You have your counter. Yep, there you go. You got your timer. So you can do all this with the remote control. Okay, it stops it. So that's pretty cool. How do I get out of that? Has your countdown. So let's try like a 10-second countdown. See how it sounds when it does the countdown. Okay. So I just press OK to clear that in DST. Okay. So cool. So for when daylight savings come, I just press DST and there it goes. So when it comes to spring forward and when it comes to fall back, there it goes. That's pretty cool. I can power off if I want, which I probably would never do. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Like I said, it has a counter. So I like that. I really do like that. There you go. Yeah. That's pretty good. I'm definitely happy it has auto. So that is a huge plus. Set that. All right. So yeah, there is your opening, your unboxing, and your first impressions video to the digital wall. Once again, thank you for tuning in. It's your boy, One True Gemini. That is the unboxing. Ooh, almost stepped on you. That is the unboxing and first impressions of this right here. I like it so far, and I'll probably give you guys an update later on how we as a family feel about the wall clock, the digital wall clock. Deuces.
What is this? What is this? It's a